Hi everyone, welcome to the introductory video on cloud platform integration. So this course is for those who want to learn integration in SAP domain, that is cloud platform integration. So cloud platform integration is actually a service provided by SAP. So if you are a working professional, you can take this course, or if you are a student and you want to learn cloud platform integration, you can take this course. There are some prerequisites of this course, like you might be aware about Apache Camel, and you should also have some idea about Groovy script and JavaScript. And after that, if you know SAP products, then it's an additional benefit. Otherwise, we will cover everything with very basics in this course. So welcome to my course on cloud platform integration. Thank you.